In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VWAP for intraday trading. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can quickly apply it on your chart. VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price, and it's one of the most useful intraday indicators because it helps you understand where price is trading relative to the average price of the session, weighted by volume. In other words, it gives you a strong reference point for market sentiment during the day. To get started, go to the top bar of your charting platform and click on Indicators. This is where you can search for and add tools to your chart. In the search box, type VWAP, which stands for Volume Weighted Average Price, and then click on it to apply it to your chart. Once added, you'll see the main VWAP line appear directly on the price chart. Now let's talk about how to read it. The main VWAP line acts as an intraday benchmark. If price is trading above VWAP, that usually suggests bullish sentiment for the session. It means buyers are generally in control and price is holding above the average traded value. On the other hand, if price is trading below VWAP, that points to bearish sentiment, meaning sellers are showing more strength and price is staying under that average. This doesn't mean price will move in one direction all day, but it does give you a clear framework for judging overall intraday bias. Many traders use VWAP as a filter before taking entries, especially when they want to align with the broader tone of the session. Next, look for the gear icon on the VWAP title. Click that to open the indicator settings, and from there, toggle on the upper and lower standard deviation bands. These bands expand your VWAP tool and help show how far price has stretched away from the average. That can be especially useful when the market moves too far too fast and may be due for a reaction back toward the mean. Once those bands are enabled, you can start watching for VWAP touchpoints. These are often used for intraday mean reversion entries and exits. The basic idea is that when price extends away from VWAP and then returns to it, that touch or retest can offer a useful decision area. Some traders use those moments to enter mean reversion trades, while others use them to take profits or manage exits. As always, VWAP works best when combined with price action and good risk management. But as a standalone intraday benchmark, it's an excellent tool for reading sentiment and identifying high interest areas on the chart.